Most online entrepreneurs fail before they even make their first $100. Why? Because their funnels are about as effective as a screen door on a submarine. Tons of clicks, zero sales. It's painful to watch. But don't worry, I'm about to fix that. In this video, I'll reveal 10 insanely powerful funnel hacks that can 10x your conversions overnight. These are the same psychological tricks McDonald's uses to dominate fast food. And now you can use them to dominate online sales. Plus, if you want a 52 free done-for-you funnels and the exact training system that makes millionaires, check the links below in the video description box. Let's go. These are the 10 funnel hacks McDonald's uses to print money. 1. The micro yes trick that boosts conversions instantly. Ever notice how McDonald's doesn't start by selling you the $15 deluxe meal? Instead, they get you to say a tiny yes. Would you like a $1 cheeseburger? Your funnel should do the same. Offer a freebie, lead magnet first. Then on the thank you page, hit them with a low ticket upsell, $7.27. Why? People who spend even $1 with you are 10x more likely to buy again. Think of it like dating. You don't propose at hello. Build trust first. 2. The $7 tripwire that covers your ad costs. McDonald's isn't making millions from a single burger. They're making billions by selling you more every time you order. Your funnel should do the same. Sell a low-ticket offer, $7.27, that turns cold leads into buyers. Amazon didn't get rich selling Kindles. They got rich because Kindle buyers also buy 50 other things. 3. The one-click upsell that doubles your profits. McDonald's makes billions just by asking, want fries with that? Right after someone buys, offer them an exclusive one-time deal. Bought a $7 ebook, offer a $47 course. Bought a $27 training, offer a $97 coaching call. This one-click upsell trick can double your revenue overnight, because if you're not upselling, you're losing money, period. 4. The order bump that adds an extra $20, $50 per sale. Ever been at a McDonald's checkout and suddenly see add a McFlurry for just $1.99? That's an order bump. Your funnel needs one. Selling a $47 course, offer a $19 workbook. Running a membership site, offer VIP support for $9.99. 30-40% of buyers say yes to a last-second offer. Why? They already have their credit card out. Give them a reason to spend more. 5. The secret follow-up emails. That print money McDonald's doesn't stop marketing after you leave. They hit you with app deals, limited time offers, and reward programs. Your funnel should do the same. Set up a 5-day email sequence to follow up with leads, overcome objections, and create urgency. Most people give up after one email. That's why they're broke. You'll keep making sales. 6. The pre-sold video that warms up cold leads. Ever seen a McDonald's commercial before craving a Big Mac? That's pre-selling. Instead of sending people straight to a sales page, send them to a short pre-sell video. Explain why they need the product before asking them to buy. Share a quick success story or case study. End with a strong call to action. Warm leads convert way better than cold traffic. 7. The urgency trick that makes people buy now. People procrastinate. It's human nature. That's why McDonald's has limited time offers like the McRib or Shamrock Shake. To force action, use scarcity in your funnel. Only 10 spots left. This offer expires in 24 hours. First 50 buyers get a bonus. If there's no reason to buy now, people will put it off forever. 8. The affiliate traffic hack that gets you free. Leeds McDonald's doesn't pay for all its advertising. It has franchises, influencers, and partners promoting it nonstop. Your funnel should too. Set up an affiliate program and pay influencers or YouTubers for every sale they bring in. No ad spend, unlimited traffic, more sales on autopilot. Why do all the work when other people can drive traffic for you? 9. The high-ticket backend. That 10x's your revenue. McDonald's doesn't just sell $1 burgers. They also sell $10 deluxe meals, catering, and partnerships. Your funnel should always have a high-ticket backend. Selling a $47 course? Offer a $997 coaching program. Selling a $27 digital product? Offer a $2,500 mastermind. Low-ticket sales cover your costs. High-ticket sales make you rich. 10. The done-for-you shortcut that saves time and money. Look, you could spend months figuring all this out yourself. Or you can plug into a proven system that already works. Want a done-for-you funnel that prints money? Grab this PLR funnel here. See the link below. Want to learn from the best? Take the One Funnel Away Challenge. See the link below. So tell me, which funnel hack blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. Hit that like button if you found this valuable. And don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing funnel hacks.